Hi guys, Warmley Forest, a little bit damp underfoot, but very little wind, so we'll give this chap a little go, over there somewhere. It's been laying in the back of the car for a while, so I've no idea what the trim is like. Shall we be daring and double up the number of rubber bands? I can't get as many turns on it when it's doubled. Whoa. Yeah. I don't know. One band or two. I'll go back to one again. Yeah, I can get about 100 turns on there with just one band. I was only getting about 60 on it with two. That seemed to get in some sort of confused stall effect then, didn't it? That's when it was going into the wind. Well, that was just about 100, it broke. Right, that's just on about 100. Wind seems to have picked up a little bit. Yeah, it is, it's windy now. Well, I don't think we're going to win any medals with this, but it is flying. Oh, that band's gone as well. These are the cheap silicon ones from Poundland, as opposed to the ones that are more like rubber. Walk back this way a bit. I don't expect to lose it in a tree, but you never know, wind might catch it. I expect the wind's on the microphone on the camera now. I didn't bother putting the dead cat on it to keep it protected from the wind. Right, I'll give it a bit more of a push. No, that's a bad idea. Ah dear. Oh, here we go again, another one. I'm clearly overstressing it. Last time I made one of these, I did actually put proper hobby grade rubber on it, and it did work a bit better. It doesn't like pointing upwards. Ah dear. 100 turns is the maximum. I'll try and put 105, 110, and we need a new rubber band. Good job I filled my pocket up first. Oh, that's the broken one. Put that in the wrong pocket. Fresh ones, right hand pocket. Broken ones, left hand pocket. Bit of a fire going on over there. Lost count because I was watching the smoke. That looks about right. Okay, that's what happens when you lose count. That does look very big and very black. Right, let's see how we go this time. In a straight line, why aren't you turning? The recycling centre's over that way. That is very black. That looks like car tyres. Black. Well, we can stop in a minute. This is the last rubber band in my pocket. Let's just try one into the wind and then that'll do for the day. It doesn't want to go into the wind. That'll do. I quite fancy driving over that way, see if we can see anything.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.